This is my camper that I built. I'm traveling in it all the way out to California. There's a few other videos on the channel if you want to see more about the camper. The road trip is in progress and I'm going to keep on rolling here. So we will see you guys soon. Probably feel good to put your feet in there though. It's like a salt massage, a little salt bath for them. Good morning from Salt Lake City, Utah. Slept great last night, got a shower, had a wonderful breakfast this morning, got to visit with my friends, so it was a good morning. Who doesn't love seeing mountains and more mountains? I love seeing those. So the plan for today is we're going to be heading back to, well, not back to, but heading west. We're going to try and make it to either Reno or Winnemucca. We're going to find a spot to park camper, get it all set up, kind of have a little bit of a shorter day of driving, probably about 6 hours, and just have a little bit of an easier day today, and then we'll have about the same tomorrow, 5.5 or so, as we head into California and get ready to start doing some work and start living there for a while. First stop I'm making is Ikea, because there's a few things there I need to pick up to have some supplies for the camper. So let's get in the car and roll out. All right, just finished up at Ikea. Got a few things that I needed for the trailer while I'm gonna be staying in it. Some kitchenware type stuff and food prepping and whatnot, but just can't get over those mountains back there. And more mountains over there. It's pretty nice here, about 50 degrees. Lots of sunshine, snow up on the mountains. But I think I found a BLM campsite outside of Winnemucca. Got it in the GPS. Probably be about 6 hours to get out there, so let's start rolling. Had to make a stop at the Salt Flats. Here on my way to West Andover in Utah. Bonneville Salt Flats, which is also home to the Bonneville Speedway, where the land records for speed have been set. It's a little bit further west yet. That's pretty cool though. Well, they say in the spring that this is obviously it's when it's wet, but when we came through last summer, this was just all dry sand and there was a lot of people out there, but still pretty cool. Oh yeah, look at all that salt down there. Probably feel good to put your feet in there though. It's like a salt massage, a little salt bath for them. That's that. We'll keep going on. I'm just about to cross into Nevada. Somewhere here. I'm gonna stop off, get some coffee, get some gas before we make the trek all the way across the state to Winnemucca. to Nevada. That means the next state, California. We're doing well. We're doing well. Got a little road trivia for you. Did you know that Nevada has the most named mountain ranges of any state in the US? They have over 300 named mountain ranges because of the way the topography of the state is with basins and ranges and basins and ranges. So, since I have left Utah, I have driven over quite a handful of them. And even right now, driving alongside one. Some beautiful snow-capped mountains, and there is a lot going on in this state. So yeah, there you go. There's a little trivia tidbit for you. The state with the most named mountain ranges, Nevada. Nevada, I think this is as far as I'm going to go tonight. This is one of the very few places that are actually open tonight, so I'm going to go in there and see if I can get some food, and then we're going to pick a truck stop, go find a quiet spot, settle in for the night, get some sleep. All right, I need some food. Let's go see what they got. All right, well, maybe 9:30 at night, you can have pancakes. And it is a massive pancake. But I'm excited. Got pancake, sausage, and some fried eggs. I'm gonna hammer those down real quick. I'm not sure if it's because I'm hungry, tired, or just exhausted from driving, but this pancake is awesome. It is so good. It's a big old cake. It's real good though. We're gonna get set up here. We're in the 19 Fuel Network, which is part of the Flying J and Loves. Sometimes when you go camping, you get beautiful sights. This time we've got a storage unit, another semi over there, and Starbucks. That'd be nice in the morning to wake up and get some coffee though, but this parking lot looks pretty decent, flat. Security camera right there, but it's going to be bright in there. I have to put something else over the windows so I can get a little bit darker. Oh, she's a mess in here, guys. Absolute mess. So I got a little bit of cleaning and organization, but it looks like it's actually sitting fairly level and it should be pretty comfortable. I'm not going to set up the heater tonight, but I got to move some stuff around so I can actually have a little bit of floor space to stand and find a spot to sleep. So I'm going to work on that, and then we're going to hang out in here for a bit. All right, ready for bed, all set up. We got a double curtain going on. Got my jacket on that one. This one's not too bad, blocked by this. Got my other little light block up there. That fan's going, just moving some air. Got a new set of RGB lights to finish installing, but for now it's going to work for a little reading lamp. Provide some nice light over here in the bed, and then I can just turn them off from right there. Since the lights for this side of the camper are behind my box and window, and make sure the door is dead bolted. Oh man, I'm tired. It is 10:47 Pacific time now. This morning when I left and came out of mountain time, it was also daylight savings ending today. So only 10:50 right now, but my body feels like it's 12:50 from last night. But we're all settled in. We've got about 5.5 hours tomorrow morning to get up to Redding, Northern California. And that's not too bad. It's 45 degrees outside, 60 degrees in here. Not going to turn on the heater, not going to do anything with that. If I get cold, I got my big down bag over there, but I'm going to do a little bit of reading and journaling, and then I'm going to get some sleep. We'll see you guys in the morning. And that means tomorrow we'll be in California, and it'll also be time to open up that water bottle and see if there's any snow left in there. I kind of forgot about it, so I haven't even looked at it yet. So we'll find out tomorrow together, all right? Anyways, if you're new here, and you're just tuning in at this really random spot, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you join along to see what other adventures we're up to over here. All right, thank you, appreciate it. Good night.